In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a branch. First, navigate to the Location tab, and click Branches. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add branch information on this page. Enter all or mandatory branch information and select the location you want to add from the drop-down menu provided. Please note that shortcode field once saved cannot be edited later. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to the Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.